guys, so it's
What are you doing, man?
freaking Tammy.
You're moving all my stuff around, man. Can't you do that somewhere else?
What? Okay, anyway, so Rick's gonna do
Well,
his
that's what
thing.
you told me.
Yes. Well, because you're in my way.
You're in my way, man. You're moving all my stuff. Like, I need my coffee, man. Like, shit.
You're really gonna start with me today? You're so mean.
Well, anyways, I thought I would have enough time to do all of it today, but actually I'm gonna prep everything. We still have to go shopping, get some other stuff because it wasn't long enough.
Yeah.
And then I still got to measure all this. So this, so it sits on this like that, right? And then maybe I should have drawn it. But anyways, I'm gonna have like two things like this, go like down like that, two of them for, you know, one on each side. And I'll probably like heat it up, hammer it a little bit, bend some parts of it, and then probably gonna just stitch weld it on it, not like fully weld it, you know. And yeah, so I know where to put it. And then I gotta do the line on this, on the ebrake, and I'm trying to get everything ready so when I go actually put it on and weld where the caliper has to go for the dual, because I have to customize that thing. So after I do that, yeah, I can pretty much just set it up, bleed it and all that, put the shit in it. So yeah, anyways. So I want to be able to do it today. We still have a bunch.
Well, we're most likely gonna do it next weekend or whenever.
Well, I don't know. You'll do it after work or some shit.
I doubt that, but okay.
I know. But still.
Well, we're just saying next weekend latest. If
It'd be
he
nice
has,
to do it after work, but if it's like a slow day, I guess it'd be easy to do it after.
yeah.
And yeah. Anyways, so I was actually just gonna do like two-piece like this and then go down and then just bolt it on there, but actually I'm gonna make like a plate that goes on it like that and then have two-piece that goes like this. So almost like a shelf stand, almost, I guess, right? Shelf stand, put a shelf up. Guess it's just gonna hold that. So yeah, alright.
Are you done